All right, so the best way to keep up with your air conditioning or your heating is by doing a tune-up to it. That includes washing the outside unit, checking the refrigerant levels, doing a visual inspection of the inside coil, as well as doing multiple electrical tests on the inside and all the motors that are part of your air conditioning and your heating system. Best person to do it, of course, is Foulks Southern Air. And so our normal AC tune-up is $119. We're currently running a $69 promotion. Give us a call at 985-205-3837.